Turn on RCS messaging on your Android device, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off RCS messaging on your Android device. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. On that note, let's get started. First, you want to open your Google Messaging app. If you don't have this, just go to your Play Store and search for Messages by Google, and this app will show up right here. And if you already have the app but haven't updated it, make sure to update the app. After you've updated the app, you just want to open it, and from here just tap on this your Google account, and from here what you want to do is go to manage settings, and from here tap on general. At the very first, you see the RCS chat, tap on it, and from here, just toggle this switch on and turn on RCS chats. So once you do that, make sure to turn on all of these options as well, and once you do that, you should be good to go. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.